Hi, my name's Steve. Simple question. Have you ever had the urge to make something in wood? Maybe something for the home to save money on labour? Or just want the joy of working in wood? Well, I've made a series of woodworking videos and I've had over 50 years experience in carpentry and joinery and made some weird and wonderful things, as you can see here. Now, you won't need any experience. You will need to do some basic measuring. You will need some tools. I will show you how to buy, use and maintain these tools with keeping safety guidelines in mind. In this video I show you how to select tools and good quality tools. If you have good quality tools, you really are halfway there to making anything. That really is true. Buying cheap tools is a false economy. I'll show you what tools you need and what they're used for and how to use them. There is of course an option with tools in buying second-hand tools. So I've picked out a group of tools that will be used more or less on every job that you do. So we'll start at this side and work round, and I'll go through each one, what each one does, how it's used.